check out our shirt on Teespring.
Hey folks, I'm going to open baseball Collector's Edge Fairfelds box. Don't know what it is, just maybe 21, 22, but I'll put a number. I opened like 20 of these things so far. At 20, maybe I got something out of it. And the box is always a fighter. Fighters want to fight with me. God, he glued this one together good. So here it is. Everybody looks like some cards. Mostly junk box back in the 80s. And once I get a few cards back in the 70s or something like that. And it comes with the 88, I guess, Dominoes. Maybe, who knows. Well, that's a very bad card. Oh, that's a very bad rip. That's a turbo ripped. Weight blogs. I got a size here. Weight blogs card. That's a turbo rip. Okay, I got Hall Favor. Andrew Tom. Okay, so 121. Props. Got a bunch of tiers. Got rookie Reinhardt. Not rookie, but Andrew McGuire. He was the Giants for a short time. Very short time. So one thing was getting him in the back. Didn't like that. These cards are all. Always liked them. Was it 1990? I always liked the 1991 tops. Jay Davis, one of the coolest names in baseball. My opinion. So good. And Darren Jackson, the Don Zimmer. Married to the Cubs. Hum baby. He played for Melanie Pete. Another great pitcher. Jeff Treyway. Very much with the known from the Braves. Sassy was mostly the Giants for Heartbeats. John Gott. Here's our ones. Yokoso. Ken Modano. One of my favorite Giants for a short time. I gotta play with the Indians. So the All-Star 19 game 2017. Shows his stats back there. God, I got all excited. That was a terrible cut. That's a terrible cut. I'm gonna look at it, see if it may worth something. Okay, got a card. Jim with Dahmer glasses. Should be a Hall of Famer. O'Neal. The cards all messed up. Yeah, it's the other week 4. That's kind of different. Felix. Baseball. Little manual. He's mostly with the. He was an interesting player. Reds and then Millers. Maybe Zion or something. A Hall of Famer. Checklist. God. It takes me about checklist. The tops. Let's see. I don't know. Still can't get over it. This is like the terrible cut. Jed Robinson, I don't remember him that much. Second, 30-year card. Jose Canseco. It's Wild thing. Mostly with the Phillies. Otis. Got long. Cover center. He played a little bit with the Giants for a little bit. Mostly know with the Indians. Jose. Hall of Famer. I think it was last year card. It looked really tense. That confirmation checklist fucking pisses me off. Rick, good. Play awesome player. Rookie, John Woltall. Check it down. Good play picture. Okay, what pictures is Robin? You know his brother. Terry Lynch again. And the last one. And then the mystery. Because of a puzzle. Spike on. Coolest name in baseball. Jim Morrison. And so very rookie. Got the King. Was he here? Later on, played the Reds, I guess. He was a decent player. Ken Howe. Last one, Jack Morris, Hall of Famer. So, like and subscribe what you think. Maybe do better next time. Maybe I won't. Who knows? But thanks for watching. Bye.